Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Atin na natin ang energies for you ngayong week na to. Weekly ganap December 23 to 29, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, Cappies. Malapit na ang birthday season. Happy birthday, happy solar return, Caps. Wish you all the best, happiness, success, good health. Okay. What's up? Anong ganap sa mga Capricorn? Wow, joy. There is going to be a happy experience ngayong week na to. Masaya lang, ayan, celebratory. Maaring may mga kayo, wishes na matutupad, ganyan. Or masaya ka lang, or grateful ka lang sa blessings na meron ka. Wow, harvest, oh. Baka may masayang harvest. 'Di ba? Some of you may successful harvest. Parang some of you meron ding ending of a season or ending of a chapter in your life, no? Kaya may harvest dito. So, kumbaga, nagsimula yan nung may tinanim ka, nung may nag-start sa'yo. This can be a relationship or a career or a project, a business. And now, masaya ka kasi nakikita mo na yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo. So, you are happy. Yes. You also have the strength, which is the mountain. So, very, pinaghirapan mo. Mountain. Maaring you've been through a lot, no, in the past few months. And bago matapos ang taon, you will realize na wow, lagpasan ko pala yon, ang galing, no? So, yan yung strength, yan yung lakas na talagang pwede nyo masabi sa sarili nyo na mas kayo ngayon, mas motivated. You will be proud of yourself, Capricorn, and be proud of yourself sa mga nalagpasan yung challenges. You have the 8 of Cups. Some of you are leaving a situation here. Okay. So, 5 of Pentacles. Maaring yung iba sa inyo masakit ang ulo dahil sa pera. Oo. Maaring merong challenges sa finances. Hindi talaga balanse. Maaring mas maraming kailangan pagkagastusan, mas maraming kailangan bayaran kaysa sa pumapasok na pera. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may babaguhin kayo sa situation nyo ngayon. With the 8 of Cups, meron ditong paglalakbay. May bago kang susubukan na opportunity. Pwedeng may pagsasabayin ka na dalawang opportunity, can be career or a business na gusto mong i-pursue. Kasi yung iiwanan mo rito, although ito kasi yung 8 of Cups, maganda naman yung situation, no? Kaya lang, hindi ka na fulfilled, hindi ka na masaya. Pwedeng malaking sweldo mo sa trabaho pero toxic naman, 'di ba? Pagod ka naman. So, hindi mo rin siya ma-enjoy. This can also be a relationship na mabait naman yung person mo, kaya lang hindi mo na talaga siya mahal or nag-iiba na yung gusto mo pagdating sa partner or pwedeng ayaw mo na lang talaga magkaroon ng partner. 'Di ba? So, ngayon, you are also protecting your energies with the 7 of Wands dahil pwedeng merong mga taong nagte-take advantage of you na parang they are really pushing you na magbigay pa ng magbigay kahit wala ka nang maibibigay. So, some of you are leaving that situation. With the Queen of Cups here, I think mas lalo mo ngayong binibigyan ng attention ng iyong sarili, practicing self-love, self-care, and being creative. Maaring meron kang creative na projects or ideas ngayon na gusto mong i-pursue. Oo, gusto mong subukan. So, kaya yung iba, meron kayong iiwanan para doon na kayo makapag-focus. Kung saan kayo mas masaya. Diba? Freedom talaga, oh. Brunette female. So, yung iba, you are dealing with a female. Pwedeng yung iba, freedom sa isang relationship or sa isang tao, sa isang connection. Can be romantic, pwedeng platonic. Oo, family. But this is also an energy of a person na focus siya sa gusto niya. Alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya na i-pursue. Puro mga babae to, oh. Blonde female din. Yeah, I think ngayon gusto mo na mas komportableng pamumuhay. Na malaya ka na nagagawa yung gusto mo. Tingnan natin. What is this freedom about? The Justice card and the Hanged Woman. Okay. So, I think this is clarity, no, sa situation mo. Alam mo na marami ka pang pwedeng gawin. Parang you are turning your life upside down. Talagang totally different, no, yung gagawin mo. Yung mga changes na gagawin mo sa buhay mo. Let's say, kung dati na empleyado ka, ngayon totally different, magiging business owner ka or self-employed ka or mag-full-time content creator ka. Ayan, no? You are the anchor. Alam mo kung saan mo direction dadalhin yung buhay mo. Itong heart na to, this reminds me of the energy ng joy, no? You want to do the things that you love. You love to do. And then, yung iba sa inyo, may energy ng you can be a masculine. And I think, whatever you are going to pursue this week, taas noo ka dyan. Taas noo. Oo. Alam mo kasi na marami kang kakayanan. Marami kang pwedeng gawin. You have a decision to reconsider. So, yan na. Pinag-aaralan mo yung mga decision mo sa buhay. Yung iyong mga pinipili, no? Some of you are going to be more connected to your spirituality, to your belief system, yung paniniwala mo. Yung iba pwedeng papasok sa pagninegosyo online, no? Online selling, or this can also mean marketing. Kalmado lang kayo kasi alam nyo kung saan nyo dadalhin yung inyong life ngayon, especially sa career path ninyo. So I think some of you will try yung career path na may kinalaman sa internet or anything online, creativity. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much and see you again.